for the world's ice cream wala to pass so that I can start my video. It's still going. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Another week, another video, and this week I am testing out makeup which I received from beautyjoint.com. It is an international website and they have different sorts of international makeup. They have drugstore brands and a few high-end brands. They are one of those international websites that ship to Pakistan. So they have given me a code as well, which I will mention towards the end of this video. Using that code, you can avail a 10% discount. What beautyjoint.com really is, it is a website that has makeup. It is kind of similar to Daraz.pk. They do not offer cash on delivery, however, because it is an international website, so you have to pay through a credit card or a debit card and you have to wait for your order to arrive. So it takes about a month, they say a month, but my order came in like 2 weeks. So I'm not sure, it just depends how quickly they have the products available. You pay in Pakistani rupee. The prices on the website are in US dollars, but when you pay, you are actually paying in rupees. So your bank converts the currency into rupees when it pays. I'm now going to start the video. I'm just going to pin my hair back. Woo. Let's start with the makeup. They introduced me to this brand and it's called Root Cosmetics. And this brand I have never heard of before. So this was the first time me hearing about this brand. So they sent me a couple of things from that brand. And sadly, the concealer they sent me is very dark for my skin color, so I won't be using this. I am going to be testing out the other Root Cosmetics makeup. I'm going to be using my two Holy Grail favorite products, Borjouis Perfect 123 and the Drops of Youth, mixing this with my foundation by The Body Shop. I have been using the Rimmel 123 Perfect Foundation for probably about 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. It is my everyday foundation. It has amazing coverage. If you have acne scarring, red spots, it covers it up, and the Drops of Youth makes my skin look very youthful and glowy, like how you would get your skin to look like after putting a highlighter on, but without any highlight. It adds glow to your face, and I absolutely love using it. For concealer, I always use the Rimmel Match Perfection because I think the best concealer that you can buy in the market right now. It is easily available. It is, I think, 600 to 700 rupees, and it covers literally everything. Dark spots to dark circles to acne to everything. I used this concealer when I had really bad acne, and I use it to this date because I love it. Okay, so now I am using this Root Cosmetics UHD Studio Finishing Mineral Powder. This is the packaging of the powder, and it is a loose mineral powder. What that means is it's not like a solidified powder, it's very loose. So you have to use it with care because with loose powders, little goes a very long way. And because on the box it says HD, use very little. I'm gonna use the same foundation brush. Again, this brush I got from an Instagram page which I used in my last makeup video. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you go watch it. This mineral foundation covers a lot. I mean, it has full coverage. However, if you have acne in your skin, I don't think it will cover everything, and you will have to use maybe a foundation or a thick concealer to cover that. It is time to put on the blush. It is the Ombre blush in Soft Flush. So this is an orangey sort of a color, and it is built. It comes with a blush as well as a highlighter. So it's like 2 in 1. So the down part, if you swirl your brush all through, then you will get both. You will get a little bit of blush and a little bit of the highlighter. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now blush is on and I really like it. I think it's a very nice warm color, very good for the spring summer season. I have used this eyeshadow palette which I received from Beauty Joint, which is a Korean brand eyeshadow palette, and I used this in my last video. So if you haven't seen it, watch it and see this palette in action. In this video, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution palette, and this is the Flawless 3 Resurrection palette. I got this from Daraz.pk and it is my favorite palette ever. It is very good quality. It comes with so many shades, look at that. I'm going to be creating a soft eye, which is my normal go-to kind of eye makeup look. Okay, so before I begin, a little disclaimer. I am not a makeup artist, so everything that I have learned myself, and what I'm doing is something that works for me and I think looks nice on me. So I'm just basically going in with a darker color and putting that in the crease of my eye so that I get like a base for my smoky eye. And I really like this Makeup Revolution palette. The colors are super pigmented, so they blend very easily as well, and I think they make a very soft, neutral, smoky kind of eye. So the lid, I'm just cleaning up with a white shade, and I'm putting that on both my eyes so that when I put a shimmer color on, it comes out more prominent. And I'm just gonna take the brush and basically smoke out the smoky eye a bit more so that it gives a very smoky effect. I don't know if that makes sense, but basically that's what I'm trying to do. I am now taking a champagne shimmer color and I'm just gonna put that on top of my lid, and I'm going to really pack this color on because it gives a very nice champagne glistening eye look. And then I'm just gonna make sure everything is in place, it's blended, and that my eye looks completely done. So I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner, and this eyeliner is available everywhere. I think it's a little pricey though. If you have any recommendation for a cheaper eyeliner, please let me know in the comments down below. Then this mascara, Color Studio, and oh my goodness, this mascara is amazing. I recently got it and I really like it. Eyes are now done. Now it is time to put on some highlight. They sent me the Beauty Treats Artistry Basics Face Palette, and this is super inexpensive. Like, all the stuff that I've used is not expensive. Very affordable, below 1500 rupees. So this I think was $11, which is around 1100 to 1200 rupees. And it comes with contour, blush and highlights. So it is a whole face palette. Contours seem very dark, so I'm just going to use this one, the Rio de Janeiro one. This I also feel is going to be slightly dark, but let's see. So turns out the contour wasn't as dark as I thought it would be. I kept a very gentle hand, and then I contoured my cheekbones and the rest of my face, and I would recommend you do the same. But if you want more of an intense look, then just go however you want. For the blush, I'm going to be using Mykonos, and this seems like a really nice champagne pinky color. So let's try it out. Oh wow, that is so pigmented. So clearly this is not a blush but a highlighter, and I would highly recommend this. Out of all the things that I bought, I think this is the best palette
It is
ever.
Now time for the lips. They have sent me 3 options for lips. Actually no, 4 options for lips. One is a Tony Moly Lip Tone Get On It tint, which is like a very sheer pink lip tint. What I'm going to be using is this Rude Cosmetics Smug lipstick, and this is in the shade Red. I am going to be using a lip liner to line my lips because someone in my last video said that I have very tiny lips and I should use a lip liner. So I'm going to use this lip liner, and this is the Red Dynamite lip liner by Rimmel Cosmetics.
I'm using this product every single day. This is the Mana Face Toner, and it's so hydrating on the skin. I love it.
I want to show you guys the other lip products that I have received. This one is the Milani Lip Intense Lip Color, which I have used in one of my videos. And the next thing that I have received is this NYX Soft Lip Cream in Prague. Again, this is very nice. It is what it looks like. It's a very nice purpley mauve color. Yeah, this was the finished look. Hope you enjoyed this review. And if you wish to order something from beautyjoint.com, then you can. Click the link in the description. I have linked everything that I have used in this video. All the products are linked, and the discount code is 1Anushae. on the screen. You can use this, get 10% off. Shipping is free for orders over $50. So if your order is over $50, your shipping will be free on some items. Some items, because they might be a bit bulky, they might charge you shipping. And it's very easy to order. They're a very safe website. The makeup is 100% genuine. Now, customs are something that you have to think about before ordering. I did not have to pay customs on my order, which is very, very nice. Most of the time that I've received stuff from abroad, I haven't had to pay customs, but with customs, it just really depends. Customs is something that just depends, and I think it's more on your luck than anything. So best of luck, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, comment down below if you want me to try other websites and what other makeup you would want me to test out. And if you like this video, share it with your friends, and I will soon see you now in my next week's video. So bye!